Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video was supposed to be a get it all done with me video. I was meant to have a couple of hours to myself and I was going to like blitz the whole house, do the jobs that you don't usually do, because obviously Monday to Friday or Monday to Thursday I try and do the organised mum method, so it's half an hour cleaning a room a day with the bathrooms incorporated in that. But there's some rooms I find that just don't get cleaned in our house, or like there's bits of the house I always just like put off and don't clean. For example, just things on my to-do list for like cleaning the window seals, because whenever I open a window in the morning it's always just like grubby in there and it's been annoying me and I really want to clean it. The kickboards in our kitchen is another one I just never get around to cleaning. And what else was there? A few other things that just I haven't got around to doing. I was just gonna power through and get them all done. But we had a small issue because I filmed this video yesterday. I couldn't even film the intro because my son was unwell, so I didn't get the hours to myself to get this stuff done. He was lay on the sofa for most of the day watching Disney films, which is fine, it happens. This is what, you know, motherhood is. He's got to juggle. So because he was home, I just didn't get as much done as I wanted to. Interruptions obviously took place. And my husband was here, so he did help. He did clean the windows, I have to say. But when people are around, I find it harder to like just get on and do stuff. I find to get distracted more easily. And also, obviously, I needed to do things in the certain rooms of the house where my son and husband were. So I couldn't get everything done I wanted to do. It's not the end of the world, but I'm gonna share with you what I did get done on my get it all done with me day. So without further ado, let's get cleaning. Okay, so the first job isn't actually that exciting. It's literally just laundry. I just don't know why. There's always so much laundry to do, but I feel like if I don't keep on top of it by doing at least one load every day, then it just becomes unmanageable and it's just a nightmare. So here I am putting some washing on, and then I will take off the washing that's currently on the heated area. FYI, make sure you get a heated area, they are incredible. And then, yeah, so I'll get that all sorted. And then I remembered whilst doing this I needed to make dinner for tonight, so I shoved a chilli into the slow cooker, which did take a bit longer than normal because I kept getting distracted and cutting up vegetables takes forever. By the time I'd finished, it was time to take the washing out of the machine. So you can see here already the day is a lot slower because it's taken me over an hour to cut up some vegetables. So here we are unloading the washing machine, and then I'm going to put that on the heated area, and then I can start doing the job which I intended to do from the beginning, was clean the utility room. We moved into this house in June last year, and the utility room has just been a room that just gets neglected. It's the dumping ground. So today I thought, let me just tidy it, clean it, get it, you know, wiped down. We have a big pile in the corner which is for the charity shop and clothes recycling, so that's going to have to unfortunately just stay here. But I just needed to get the room sort of just organised because it's just, like I said, just a dumping ground. The first job I'm doing, which I've been putting off, is washing these reusable nappies. We have started using reusable nappies again. Don't know why I've waited this long to start using them. Now my daughter is on solid food, so we're just going to start by cleaning down this utility room because it needs it. Anna and Elsa dolls are from a charity shop and they're in pretty bad shape. Their hair is absolutely horrible. If anyone has any tips or advice on how to clean dolls' hair, please let me know because I really want to get them really nice and shiny hairless. although this obviously is a toilet and it does get cleaned regularly, I don't feel like it gets deep cleaned regularly, especially as this is the toilet that my 3-year-old uses the most, and obviously toddlers are gross. And so I was just going to do a bit of a deeper clean than normal. Also, I forgot that I have a plant in here, which definitely I haven't watered for a long time, so I gave that a touch of water, but it was mainly just sort of just a general wipe down of all the surfaces and giving the toilet a good scrub. I mean, it's not disgusting in here, but it just needed, you know, some new soap and just a general clean.
You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it, you gotta go.
I know, I can't get rid of it, it won't come off. We got rid of the bit down the bottom, see? Again, another job which I do on a regular basis is clean the kitchen cabinet, but the kickboards are something I never clean because it's just something that is not on my radar. And then as I was going to go clean the kickboards, I realised that the cabinets actually had loads of fingerprints on them, even though I only cleaned them like a couple of days ago, so I thought I may as well just clean all the cabinets again. And the handles, obviously with Ellis not feeling 100%, it's probably good to give the handles a wipe down in case there's any lurking germs.
You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be.
A job which both my husband and I both hate doing is cleaning these sofas. These are snug sofas and they are incredibly comfortable, but because of the material that they are, I think it's like some sort of velvet type material, they attract all the lint in the entire house, and so there's always constantly like a white film over the top of them. I do really rate the sofa, but the upkeep of them is a pain in the bum, especially when you have 2 little ones who like to eat toast and things on them. But we do have to give them a good hoover every so often, and so that is my job for today. I didn't manage to do both sofas because one of them was enough and my son was getting a bit fed up with me hoovering when he was trying to watch Lady and the Tramp.
You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
And the final job I completed today was literally just putting some laundry away and also making up my cloth nappies. They've just been sat in this vacuum pack bag for the past like 3 weeks. I've been meaning to put them together, but I just haven't got around to it, so I thought I'd just bite the bullet and do it today. Obviously, putting the laundry away is not a super out of the ordinary job to do, but it's something that needed to be done and I didn't want to leave it for a Monday morning job. Jobs I didn't manage to do today were to clean the window seals. They are pretty gross. I don't know why they're so gross. I don't know when they were last cleaned, but they needed to be done, but they weren't done. I also wanted to clean 2 cupboards in the kitchen as they have got quite a few crumbs in there, and also I wanted to clean out my daughter's nursery, which obviously she's not in yet. As you can see, it's a bit of a dumping ground, but yeah, I didn't get around to doing that today, but it's okay. We will get these jobs done again another day. None of it's life or death. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.